Hello, middle school art maniacs. We're gonna be drawing the Houston Texans football logo. So I'm making an oval here, an oval here, and then I'm coming down, down, around, back across, and up, like so, and then back, there, and back up. Okay. And what the heck here, let's just get the star on before actually, oh, am I getting tired? Yikes. All right, here we go. So we're gonna start right here. And we're gonna come around like that. Skippity doo-dah. Come around like that. Then we're gonna come back around. Drop down. Do a little circle-y thing. Come back. And we're gonna come back up and around. Then we have the star. There's the star. This is going to come around and get narrower at the bottom. Come back up in just a little bit. Around. Then we line up with the other horn. Comes back. Ta-da!